Dear students, welcome to class 12 biology chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. We continue that chapter. Here we study about codominance. In last classes you have learned about dominance and incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, the F1 generation did not resemble either of the two parents, but in codominance it resembled both parents. So the best example is human blood group. Human blood group. Human blood group is controlled by the gene I gene. It has three alleles. IA, dominant allele, then IB, capital letters, then one recessive allele, small I. So three alleles, that is more than two. Three alleles governing one character, that is a blood group. So these are called multiple alleles. So it is the best example of multiple allelism also. Then this IA and IB produces a slightly different form of sugar that are present on the surfaces of RBC of the person. On the plasma membrane, that sugar protrude from the plasma membrane of the RBC. So IA and IB produce a slightly different form of sugar, but the small I does not produce any sugar. That is the reason the persons possess different alleles. Then, depending upon the genotype, there are four blood groups. We divide into four blood groups. A group, because they possess alleles IA and IA from each parent. So these are dominant alleles, so that A group express that character, it is A group. Then another genotype, IA, then small a. Here also small I is recessive allele, so IA expresses. So that is also A group. Then B group, here IB gene, dominant alleles. So that is one genotype of B group person. Both the alleles, they get it from each parent. Then another one, IB and small I. Here also one dominant allele, IB. It is dominant over small I. All these alleles, that is IA and IB, are dominant over small I. So here also B expresses, so that group is B. Then when IA and IB dominant alleles come together, they both express. They are completely dominant over each other. Such a dominance is called codominance. That is IA and IB, they come together, they completely dominate each other. That dominance is called codominance. So they resemble both the parents. So that is one character of that group. AB, that group is called AB group. Both alleles are present. Then another is O group. The recessive allele only present. I, small I only present. That is called as O group. Then genotypes. Here two genotypes. Here also 2, 4. This one 5. O group 6. 6 genotypes are possible in human population. 6 genotypes. Then it expresses as 4 groups A, B, AB and O. So that is the phenotype. 4 phenotypes. So in this way, multiple alleles govern this character blood group. So we can go through the possible questions in this part. One is, F1 generation resembles both the parents. Explain it with the example of blood groups, human blood group. Another one, I gene has 3 alleles, that is IA, IB and small I. How many genotypes are possible in human population? That is 6, we got 6. Then how many phenotypes are possible in human population? That is 4. That is another question. Then next question. a man with A group marries a woman with a B group. They have a child with the AB group and a daughter with the O group. Then work out the possibility of this inheritance pattern. One question. So how to find out? Here the one child is having O group. O group genotype is only one type, that is small I, small I. So that one allele from each parent. So here B group and A group must be heterozygous, then only it is possible. That is, if they are IA, there is no chance of I. So they are heterozygous. Here IA and small I is the genotype of the father A group, and the woman with the B group, that is IB and small I. Then only O group is possible. Then work out the remaining combination. This is parent. This one also. Write the gametes as in earlier experiments. 2 gametes here, IA and small I. Here IB and small I. Then proceed. Maybe we will rub this one. Then IA and this one, IA, IB. So both expresses that group is AB. So that is given in question. Then next is IA and small I. This group is A group. Then second gamete. Write the dominant allele first, IB and small I. Then that is B group. Then next small I, that is O group. So in question it was given AB and O only. So other groups A and B groups are also possible in this inheritance. That is the answer of this question. So we will have this video in Malayalam also. Thank you.